Welcome to our channel. Our goal is to inspire positive changes in the lives of people who are looking for a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Now, let's get to the video.
Why is sleep important? Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. During sleep, our body performs a series of important functions such as hormone production, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation. Additionally, sleep helps to keep the immune system functioning properly, which is essential for disease prevention. For example, growth hormone production occurs during deep sleep, which is essential for tissue growth and repair. Furthermore, during sleep, our brain processes and consolidates information and memories from the previous day, which is crucial for learning and creativity. Sleep deprivation can also increase cortisol levels, the stress hormone, which can have harmful effects on the immune system. What happens when we don't sleep well? When we don't sleep well, we can suffer a range of negative consequences for our health. In addition to problems with memory and concentration, irritability and moodiness, fatigue and tiredness, lack of energy and motivation, increased risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and obesity, reduced immunity, and skin problems such as dark circles and acne, we can also experience other problems. For example, lack of sleep can increase the likelihood of accidents while driving or working, as it impairs attention and reaction time. In addition, moodiness and irritability can affect interpersonal relationships and cause problems with coexistence. Sleep deprivation can also lead to libido problems and sexual dysfunction, as well as impairments in academic and professional performance. Furthermore, lack of sleep can increase the risk of mental disorders such as depression and anxiety. Tips for better sleep. To sleep better, it is important to follow some simple recommendations, such as 1. Establishing a sleep routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same times every day helps our body regulate itself and sleep better. 2. Avoiding stimulants. Coffee, black tea, alcoholic beverages, and cola-based soft drinks contain caffeine, which is a central nervous system stimulant and can disrupt sleep. 3. Engaging in relaxing activities before bed. Reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music are activities that help relax the body and mind before sleep. For keeping the room dark, quiet, and cool, the environment in which we sleep directly influences the quality of our sleep. A dark, quiet, and cool room is more conducive to restorative sleep. 5. Avoiding the use of electronics before bed. The blue light emitted by cell phones, tablets, and televisions can disrupt the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. 6. Investing in a quality mattress and pillow. Comfortable and suitable mattresses and pillows for your physical needs help reduce pain and discomfort during sleep, which can improve the quality of rest. 7. Regularly engaging in physical exercise. Regular physical activity helps reduce anxiety and stress, as well as improve sleep quality. 8. Avoiding heavy meals before bed. Heavy and greasy foods can impair digestion and cause abdominal discomfort, which can make it difficult to sleep. 9. Getting exposed to sunlight during the day. Exposure to sunlight during the day helps regulate the biological clock and the production of melatonin, which can improve sleep quality. 10. Seeking medical help in case of persistent sleep problems. If you have persistent difficulty sleeping, snore, wake up many times during the night, or experience excessive daytime sleepiness, it is important to seek medical help for evaluation and treatment. Conclusion. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. During sleep, our body performs various important functions for maintaining balance in the body. Lack of sleep can lead to a range of negative health consequences such as memory and concentration problems, irritability, fatigue and lack of energy, increased risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and obesity, among others. To sleep better, it is important to follow some simple recommendations such as establishing a sleep routine, avoiding stimulants, engaging in relaxing activities before sleep, and maintaining a conducive environment for restful sleep. If difficulties persist, seeking medical help is important for evaluation and treatment.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like and share. See you in the next video.